So, hello everyone. So, for today's video, we will discuss about the measures of dispersion. So, I hope namoy na learn some measures of central tendency, which is the mean, median, and the mode. So, now is also putting measure of dispersion. Okay? Okay. So that na po yung three types po sa dispersion. Diba sa central tendency is mean, median, and mode. So diri po sa source of dispersion is na po siya itulod which is the range, standard deviation, and variance. Okay. First one will be the range. The range is a set of data values. Is the difference between the greatest data value and the least data value. So kani siya class is you need to subtract lang sa mga value nga pinakadako o minus pinakagamay. For example, kani the greatest daily income of the workers in the factory A is 100 pesos and the least is 35 pesos. So the range of the daily income of the workers in factory A is equal to 100 minus 35. Pinakadako si 100, pinakagamay si 35. Pag imo siyang minus, that would be 65 and that would be your range. The range is a sensitive measure since it is depends only on the two most extreme value. A measure of dispersion that is less sensitive to extreme values in the standard deviation. Okay, that's the range siya. You need to subtract lang from the greatest subtracted to the least data value. Okay, next one will be the standard deviation. Standard deviation is a set of numerical data makes use of the individual amount that each data values deviate from the mean. The closer the standard deviation is to zero, the lower the data variability and the more reliable the mean is. Okay? The standard deviation is equal to zero indicates that every value in the data sets is exactly equal to the mean. The higher the standard deviation, the more variation there is in the data and the less accurate the mean is. So we have also the notation for the standard deviation. Pag kani siya class, that would be sigma, sigma na siya. That's the standard deviation of a population. Okay? And S is the standard deviation of a sample. So that would be the notation we will use same as sa mean, median, and mode. So nasa na yung population notation and sample notation. Okay, so the definition of the standard deviation for the population and sample. So di ba, if you see population, that's a big letter N. Okay, that's ang pagbasa is mu. Then the standard deviation of the population is sigma is equal to the square root of the summation of x minus mu squared all over N. Then same as pag sample pod class is lahi sila. Okay? Pag magkuha mo og standard deviation ni population and sample is difference gid ilang formula. Pag sa sample pod class is that would be S nga gamay is equal to the square root of the summation of x minus x bar raised to 2 all over n minus 1. See the difference between the population of the standard deviation and the sample of the standard deviation. Ang ilang denominator is only n. But here in a sample, that would be n minus 1. So possible if dili mo magbasa sa inyong problem, kung sa gipangayo either population bar sample, like for example, akong gihatag sa inyong class kay sample, nya ang imong gigamit nga formula will be the population. So there's a possibility that your standard deviation and your variance is mali. Okay? Standard deviation and also variance is isara na sila. Ay, di siya isa, sumpay na sila class. If mamali ka sa standard deviation, mamali gud ka sa variance. Okay? So please be careful of the formula and also the notation of standard deviation. So how to solve uh standard deviation? First one is you need to determine the mean or the mean of the n or that's the sample or n nga population numbers. So solve to nato tanan class using the mean. Next is for each number, calculate the deviation or the difference between the number and the mean of the numbers. Next is calculate the square of each division and find the sum of the squared of the division. So kung sa answer nimo sa number 2, imong i-squared, dublehon nimo. Okay? If the data is a population, then divided by the sum of n. So motong gingon gaina. If the data is a sample, then divide the sum by n minus 1. Next is find the square root of the quotient in step number 4. For example, class, this will be the following data, or that's the following numbers were obtained by a sampling a population. Find the sample standard deviation. Okay, take note class, this will be the sample. Sample ang giingon diri sample. Okay? Sample standard deviation. So we will use, okay, step number 1, atong kwaon ang iyang mean. So, yung mean is, so kay sample man, so X bar. Recall sa inyong, i-recall to kong video sa central tendency. Okay. X bar is equal to the summation, kani class, summation of X. Pasabutan na, add all the X. All over N nga gamay. So, i-add na to ni sila, 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8. That would be 23. I-divide siya by 5 kay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 sila ka buok. So, 23 divided by 5 is equal to 4.6. So, mo ni atong mean. Di ba? Sa itong step number 1, determine the mean of the sample and the population number. So, this will be our mean. Step number 2, for each for each number, calculate the division between the number and the mean. So, inanay na dahil inyong buhaton class, mag-table na mo, ana. Butang ninyo ang iyong mga data, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. So, the summation of x is 23. Next is the division is you subtract kani sa nakuha ninyo nga mean. Okay? Subtract ninyo ang iyong mga x nga value sa mean ninyo nakuha. Okay? That's 1 minus 4.6 is equal to negative 3.6. 2 point, 2 minus 4.6. Okay? So, therefore, okay, so on and so forth na siya class ha. So, pag inyong division class is mag-equal to 0, so correct inyong answer. Ha, dapat always equal to 0 ni sila diri nga part. Okay? Next is step number, awakas, na siya ginotryo. The sum of the division is always equal to 0. So you can use this fact to check your arithmetic. Again, pag dili 0 inyong division, automatic, mali na siya. Okay. Again na, please be careful sa inyong table. Dapat inyo nang atimanon ha. Pag mamali ka ng isa dira, mali na. Tanan. Step number 3, calculate the square of each the division. Step number 2, and find the sum of these squared. So, di ba katong ina? So, division, then square division, step number 3. So, katong answer ninyo diri class, kaduhaon lang ninyo kanina. Naka-squared. So, mo siya, negative 3.6 times negative 3.6. Kaduhaon na siya. 3.6 times, ana. So kana siya i-times ani mo walang imong square division. Same lang gyapon diri kaduhaon, kaduhaon, kaduhaon ka. Ha again, ang answer diri sa step number 2 imong kaduhaon. So ang answer is kani, positive dapat tanan. Positive tanan. And then after ninyo makuha tanan, kani i-add na ninyo. So ang the summation of x minus x bar raised to 2 is 37.9. Okay, so we are done with step 3. Step 4, because we have a sample of n is equal to 5 values, divide the sum of the square division of n minus 1. Ha, kay sample man ta. So, atong answer gaina, atong i-divide og n minus 1. So, our n is equal to 5. Kani. Minus 1, that's 4. So, copy si 37.19. So, 37.19 divided by 4, that would be 9.2975. Again, class ha, if ang mga decimal bitaw diri ano to? Pag ang decimal bitaw diri class is maihap ra isulat good ninyo tanan. Ayaw sa amo pag round off. Ayaw sa amo pag round off ha if daghan na pa yung mga numbers nga counted. Okay? So that would be step number 4. Oh, sige yung dendri Step number 5, the standard deviation of the sample is, so kato yung answer gaina, kani, 9.2975. Inyong sa step 5 butangan niyo og square root. So the square root of 9.2975 is 3.05. So dili na pud class, dili sa final answer class, diha na mo mag-round off og to the nearest hundred or that's two decimal places lang. Ha, again, sa final answer na mo tagali, sa final answer na mo mag round off. Okay? So that would be the standard deviation. And lastly, the variance. The variance for a given set of data is the square of the standard of the data. So, dili po, ang notation po ani class is this one. Sigma squared for the population and some S squared for the sample. So, ang pasabot ni variance class is kung unsay answer ni mo gaina kay kung unsay answer ni mo kay to ani kung unsay answer ni mo kay standard deviation, imura na siyang A squared. Or, so ang pasabot po na class is to get the variance is square the standard deviation. Thus, the our standard deviation is na siya naka-raise nga to. Okay? So that would be the square root of 9.2975 is equal to this one. Or, ang technique anak class, kung unsay answer ninyo kay step number 4 o na inyong variance. Mora na iyang tawag ni o na iyang kasi tawag na class ka nang naay mo na iyang term or mo na inyong basihan nga mo na answer niya sa variance. Kaso lang ang inyong ibutang sa inyong variance dapat inani S squared or katong sigma squared and then ang inyong variance is katong answer ninyo kay step number 4. Okay? So that would be our measure of dispersion. Okay? So in the next video, I will discuss the fundamental counting techniques. Okay? So statistic na tong topic in this quarter. I hope you have learned today. Okay, so thank you and God bless everyone.